If you're looking to clean up your garage, workshop, or job site with cordless convenience, a portable shop vac is the tool to get. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 cordless shop vacuums available on Amazon in 2025, each one combining power, portability, and rugged design. Let's begin with the Craftsman Cordless Vac. This is easily one of the best all-around cordless shop vacs on the market. It features a 2-gallon tank and runs on a 20-volt battery platform, offering around 34 minutes of runtime on a 4.0 amp-hour battery. What stands out most is its excellent performance with wet messes. It's capable of picking up nearly 2 gallons of water in seconds without clogging or losing suction. The included HEPA-rated filter ensures clean air exhaust, making it a great option for indoor projects. It's compact, lightweight, and includes onboard hose storage. Whether you're vacuuming sawdust or spilled water, this Craftsman model handles it all with ease. Next is the Milwaukee M18 Cordless Vacuum. This model is extremely popular with professionals for its durability and dry suction power. It features a toolbox-style design with built-in hose and accessory storage in the lid, which makes it especially easy to transport. While it doesn't shine in wet pickups as much as Craftsman, its dry suction is powerful enough to handle concrete dust, wood chips, and even small hardware debris. It's powered by Milwaukee's M18 battery system, which is widely used across their tools, so it's a natural fit if you already own Milwaukee gear. This model is built for tough conditions and consistently receives high marks for reliability. Our third pick is the Kobalt Cordless Shop Vac. Often referred to as the best value option, this unit provides exceptional dry pickup power. It includes a HEPA filter and retractable hose that stores neatly in the lid. With a 3-gallon tank, it handles larger debris loads than the Craftsman and Milwaukee models, making it great for bigger projects. The suction is strong and consistent, and the vacuum performs exceptionally well with drywall dust, concrete debris, and woodworking mess. It might not be as well known as the big brands, but its performance and pricing make it a smart choice for budget-conscious buyers who still want pro-level results. Fourth on our list is the Ryobi P3240 Cordless Vacuum. Ryobi has carved out a space in the DIY market, and this vac is a solid performer in its category. It has a 3-gallon capacity and delivers balanced performance for both wet and dry messes. It's particularly lightweight and easy to carry around the house or garage. While it doesn't include a HEPA filter, the general filtration system still performs well, and it's ideal for daily cleanups, car interiors, and basic workshop mess. The hose is stored externally, which some users find more accessible. If you're already invested in Ryobi's ONE+ battery system, this vacuum is a no-brainer. Finally, we have the DeWalt MAX Vacuum. This model stands out for offering both corded and cordless operation. You can run it on a 20-volt maximum battery or plug it into an outlet for longer session. It includes a HEPA-rated wet-dry filter that's washable and reusable, giving it great filtration with easy maintenance. The 2-gallon tank and onboard hose and accessory storage make it very portable, and the powerful motor offers consistent suction even toward the end of battery life. With around 40 minutes of runtime and durable construction, the DCV581H is ideal for job site or home use where flexibility matters most.